Meaning of fragmentation bomb.
Fragmentation bomb.
Fragmentation bomb.
Fragmentation bomb.
Fragmentation bomb. A fragmentation bomb, also known as a cluster bomb, is an explosive device that releases smaller submunitions or explosive fragments upon detonation. The purpose of this type of bomb is to cause widespread damage by dispersing the submunitions over a wide area, targeting both personnel and vehicles. The result of using a fragmentation bomb can be devastating, leading to significant casualties and destruction of infrastructure. Additionally, unexploded submunitions can pose a threat to civilians long after the initial attack, making cleanup efforts dangerous and difficult.